What's up, guys? So today's video is going to be on this eyeshadow look that you see here. I hope you guys like the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will get started shortly. So today's video, we're going to start off by saying hello, and I'm going to prime my eyes with a Smashbox lid primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid using the applicator at first, and then I'm going to use a concealer brush. Okay, 1 second. Yes, with a concealer brush, I'm going to apply that primer, and then I'm going to take this round brush, which is an e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to be using an eyeshadow pigment called Naked, and it's from a MAC Holiday collection from a long time ago. And I'm just going to apply that right underneath my eyebrows, and I'm going to do that to both sides of my eyes, both eyes. So I decided to use these colors that you're going to see today because yesterday I was cleaning out my makeup bag, and I have these pigments from this holiday collection from a couple years ago that I never use. I usually only use the gold glitter because that's mainly why I bought that collection, but I mean, I said I gotta get a use out of these, so that's why I'm using these colors today. And I really like the way the bronze color came out, so you'll see it right now. So I'm gonna keep adding that there. And like I said, this is an e.l.f. brush, super inexpensive, and it works really well. Only $1. And this is that gold bronzy pigment called Museum Bronze. And I'm going to take the same brush that I used for that highlight, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. And it has such a pretty, like, how can I say it? I guess color payoff. Like it really comes out. Like it is, and there's no fallout, as you could see. This is a really good pigment. And I said yesterday when I was looking at my makeup and I saw this one, I swatched and I said, man, I'm going to put this all over my lid tomorrow, and that's what I did. So as you'll see, we're going to apply it, and there's like no fallout, like I said, so it's really good. And I don't really own a lot of MAC pigments. Those are the only ones I own. I don't know why I don't use them enough. But here I am applying it there. And I'm going to carry out a little further up, because I'm only using 3 shades for this look. So I applied that all over my lid. So there we go. See, I'm adding more there. Okay. And then I'm going to take a blending brush from Coastal Scents, and I'm just going to blend that out as best as I can. And I've had this brush for a while too, and it works very well. Must have been like $3 off the Coastal Scents website. So we're just going to blend back and forth until we get the desired look. And of course I'm going to do that to the other side as well. Okay, we're blending. And then I'm going to take this NYX eyeshadow. It's a black with gold glitter in it. And I'm going to use that same blending brush. And I'm going to apply that to my crease. And I'm just going to blend it in. And I will put in the description box the name of the shadow, because I don't know it off the top of my head. I think it's Midnight something. I'm not sure. But I'll list it down below. Okay, so we're just blending that. And then I'm going to go in with a wipey. And I'm going to... You don't want that one. Excuse me, my daughter needs my attention real quick. Alright, so what we are going to do here is I'm taking my CoverGirl black eyeliner, and I applied that to my waterline. And I'm going to apply that to the top of my lid. And the only reason why I'm using this up here is because I can't find my liquid liner. So I went ahead and applied this color there, and I didn't like the way it came out. So what you're going to see me do here is I am going to take my this is the black glitter pigment, black glitter from the same collection, and I'm going to take my NYX glitter base and I'm going to apply it to where my eyeliner is supposed to be, and I'm going to add that glitter on there. I mean, I figured it came in the same collection, so it should look good together, so I added it to my look, and I think it came out pretty good. Well, I liked it at least. So there I'm applying the base, and then I'm taking a elf brush and applying the glitter there where the eyeliner should be. And with the glitter, of course, I had a little more fallout, but it's okay. I just cleaned it up afterwards and it was fine. So you can see, applying the glitter, and I'm gonna add more. Well, you don't see it there, but I added more to that. And then here I'm using a concealer brush. It's one of those Dollar Elf ones, and I took that same NYX shade that I used on my crease and I put it under my eye. And then I'm going to take my mascara and apply it. And that's pretty much it. That's all I did for this look. Like I said at the beginning of the video, oh, I can't speak. Like I said at the beginning, I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks again for watching. Say bye, Pita. Say bye to everybody. Say bye. She's waving. Okay. We'll see you guys later. Thanks, guys. Bye.